NSK Hot Metal Forging. With its metal sector experience spanning since 1950, NSK Hot Metal Forging has been producing carbon and alloyed steel parts in various sizes and shapes between 0.10 and 15 kilograms. Moreover, it has been producing suspension system parts in its rubber metal plant located within the company. NSK Hot Metal Forging also boasts an annual forging capacity of 12,000 metric tons with friction presses and drop hammers. The main processed and unprocessed products produced by NSK Hot Metal Forging are as follows: 15 mm diameter through 26 mm diameter parts, 26 mm diameter through 52 mm diameter parts, outer and inner tie rods, stay arm parts, 0.10 through 15 kilogram parts, rubber metal parts. The NSK Hot Metal Forging factory runs all its production processes under one single roof in its integrated plants established on a total area of 9,000 square meters, of which 5,000 square meters is a closed area. It carries out its hot metal forging operations in the factory located in Karacabey, Bursa, and its rubber metal operations in its plant located again in Bursa. The factory, a follower of the lean production philosophy, boasts the internationally recognized ISO 9001-2008 certification. NSK Hot Metal Forging continues to contribute to the national economy with its 80 employees and its aim to grow by at least 20% every year.